Why do most estate plans fail? Because the plan is never reviewed or updated throughout your life. Stay tuned to find out more. Hey guys, Elliott Feldman here, estate planning attorney at the Elliott Feldman Law Group, where we create estate plans that actually work when your loved ones need it most. If you ever have any questions about this topic or need to talk about your estate planning needs, you can schedule a time to talk with me over the phone for free by going to myestatemeeting.com. So one of the reasons why most estate plans fail is because the plan is never reviewed or updated throughout your life after you initially get it done. And this is very concerning because we know that an estate plan created one time and never looked at again will not work when your family needs it to years down the line when something happens to you. I mean, think about it. When you first created your estate plan, did you then plan on never buying or selling a house again, or never opening up a new retirement account again, or new insurance policy for your family ever again for the rest of your life? Of course not. You have a lot more life to live, and there will be many changes that continue to occur in your life, and your estate plan must keep pace with those changes, because if it doesn't, it can have dire consequences on your family. Here's a story to illustrate this. Back in the year 2000, Mom and Dad created an estate plan with a revocable living trust so that if anything were to happen to them, their children would not have to probate their assets. Now, back in the year 2000, Mom and Dad's largest asset was their $200,000 house. They retitled the deed to their home to be owned by the revocable living trust so that if they passed away, their children would not have to go to the probate court to gain title over Mom and Dad's home. But that was back in the year 2000. Fast forward 20 years later, when Mom and Dad both died of old age, they owned a $1 million home, which Mom and Dad owned in their personal names when they died because they forgot to retitle the ownership of the $1 million home in the name of their revocable living trust during their lifetime. Now Mom and Dad's kids will be forced to go through probate court, which will take the kids anywhere from 6 to 18 months and could cost them $15,000 to $20,000 after attorney's fees and all the court fees are added up. Sometimes more, sometimes less, but either way, it's not going to be cheap. But why did this happen? Well, in the year 2000, Mom and Dad went to a traditional estate planning law firm that did not have a system in place for following up with Mom and Dad throughout their lifetime to review Mom and Dad's plan every few years to see if any updates needed to be made so that the plan would actually work by the time their children needed it to. That's why I always tell my clients, look, we need to meet up to review your plan at least every 3 years as a bare minimum to ensure that your estate plan is still keeping pace with the changes that are occurring in your life so nothing slips through the cracks and everything will work the way you want it to for the people that you love most. And whether you're watching this video or listening to this right now on a podcast, if you're thinking to yourself, boy, Elliott, it's definitely been more than 3 years since I had my family's estate plan looked at, then I would encourage you to book a 15-minute call with me this week to learn more about how our estate plan review process works and what your family's options would be to get your estate plan updated so it would actually work when your family needed it to. You can schedule that quick 15-minute call with me by going to myestatemeeting.com. That's myestatemeeting.com. Hey, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell next to it to be notified for new videos I post each week. And if you like it, then please hit the like button. And if you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And if you ever have any questions about this topic or need to talk about your estate planning needs, you can set up a time to talk with me over the phone for free by going to myestatemeeting.com. That's myestatemeeting.com. Again, this is Elliott Feldman, estate planning attorney at the Elliott Feldman Law Group, where we create estate plans that actually work when your loved ones need it most. Take care.